Notion's journey is like watching a startup glow up in real time. What started in 2013 as a scrappy underdog has now morphed into a $10 billion productivity giant, all thanks to its mastermind Ivan Zhao. Do you know Ivan didn't just focus on building an app, but a digital playground where notes, tasks, wikis, and databases hang out together like best friends? Back in 2019, Notion was making a humble $3 million in revenue. Fast forward to 2024, boom, $300 million. Users across the globe, from the US to India, are hooked, turning Notion into their go-to-life organizer. And let's not forget the secret sauce, Notion's obsession with innovation. AI-powered features, endless customization, and a sleek interface have made it the Swiss Army knife of productivity. So what's the big deal? Notion is disrupting the tech and productivity space. It really doesn't. You're a student, a startup founder, or just someone trying to keep your life together. Notion's got your back. With growth like this, it's safe to say Notion isn't slowing down anytime soon.